Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I ang Hilito Bill Magsaw. Kung bago ka pa lang sa channel ko, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button below. So I'm very sorry if naka-zoom yung mukha natin, no? So for this video, I will introduce to you the new segment of my channel, which is the Teacher's Diary. Since most of you know that I am teaching in a private school, and then I've experienced and gained more knowledge while teaching, okay? Since teachers are keeping all those things for us to learn, right? While teaching, we are learning, and then while learning, we are teaching, okay? So by the way, my mission here for this video is to share with you the things that I've encountered or the things that I've learned dealing with my students or my learners. Okay, hope you will learn something and then you will get something for my thought that I am sharing with you. And then please do subscribe this channel also if it's your first time to watch this video. And then yeah, hope you will learn a lot something coming from the experience that I've encountered with my grade 5 and grade 6. I'm so excited to share with you all the things, yeah, all the things. I've learned a lot, and then from time to time I will upload. I cannot promise, but I hope or I will do my best to upload more videos, something like something that is more helpful for your teaching or you as a teacher, you also as a student. But before filming the next video, I want you to ask me something on that comment section for me also to know more your problem or your struggles as a teacher or as a student. And then also I will base my thought there for me also to know you. Yeah. And then hope you'll enjoy this segment. God bless and be safe all the time. This is Teacher Jel. See you. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Hilito Bill Magsaw. Kung bago pa lang sa channel ko, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button below.